so like I say, I've been collecting cells for a while. So as you can see, we've got a bunch of cells here. Now what we do is we take them out the laptop batteries or the other packs that you get these 18650s in, whatever it may be, and you open them up and you get your individual cells like this, and then what we do is we pop them in a tester, one of these testers, pop it in there. So that what that'll do is that'll run through and it charges the battery up to 4.2, and then what it'll do is it'll run it down. I think it runs it down to somewhere like 3 volts or round about there, somewhere like that, and then it basically measures the capacity that's in the batteries. And you know, once that's finished, it gives you a reading here, and you just write down what that reading is, write it down on the cell, as you can see here. Like that one there came out at 2.1, got some good ones here, 2.5. I only live in a small town, so it's hard trying to get a hold of the cell, so it'll take a while, but we'll keep the updates coming and see how we go. Thanks. Okay, so once you've collected all your cells and you've tested them, get your capacity check. Then what you got to do, get enough cells together so that you can fill up these packs like this. So it's 80 cells in the pack. The outside row, I'm going to reskin them, and my packs will be black and red. Back with the batteries. So like I said, I've been collecting lots of batteries. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to reskin them. You see, when you get the batteries, sometimes they get all messed up like this. So what I want to do is try and make the packs look a little better and reskin them. This sort of idea here. So I get buy this online, eBay. It's just rolls of heat shrink. It's designed for 18650 cells. Get the heat gun, position it properly. May actually turn that up a little bit, and then just And that's the last of them. Okay, so once you're finished, once you've got them all heat shrunk, then you got to put the top on. And all you do is you get another one of your cell holders and you just basically do that. It just slides on there, like so. And there you have it. That's it. Another pack complete. And so I will have 14 of these packs. 7 will be black, that colour, and the other 7 will be that colour. There, packs like that. And then once you get 14 packs, then you move on to the next step.